Have you ever wondered how you can make money with Chat GPT in 2023? In the age of AI and machine learning, opportunities to monetize technology are everywhere. One such opportunity lies in Chat GPT, or generative pre-trained transformers. These language processing AI models can generate human-like text. They have a wide range of applications, from customer service to content creation. And yes, you guessed it, they can be a goldmine if you know how to leverage them. So how does someone make money with Chat GPT? It's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with the technology. Understand how Chat GPT works, its capabilities and limitations. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about Chat GPT, the better equipped you are to make it work for you. Step 2. Identify a need. What service can you provide with Chat GPT that people or businesses need? It could be generating content for websites, providing customer service support, or even creating personalized responses for a chatbot. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Develop your Chat GPT model. Use your newfound knowledge and identified need to create a Chat GPT model that provides your service. For this, you might need some coding skills. But don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. There are plenty of tutorials and resources out there to help you. Step 4. Market your service. Now that you have your Chat GPT model, it's time to get the word out. Use social media, networking, and online marketing strategies to promote your service. Show potential customers how your Chat GPT model can benefit them. And finally, step 5. Monetize. There are several ways you can make money from your Chat GPT model. You could offer it as a service for a fee or even license it to other businesses. Alternatively, you could use it to generate content for your own website or blog and monetize through advertising revenue. Starting your own Chat GPT venture might seem daunting, but with a bit of knowledge, some creativity, and a lot of determination, it's an opportunity that's ripe for the taking. So, why not give it a try? In this ever-evolving digital world, Chat GPT could be your ticket to success.